Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Talking eBay. So I had a viewer ask me a question the other day, and I want to answer it with a video, of course. So they asked me a question about shipping. They were starting out new on eBay, and they weren't sure about about shipping priority mailboxes. They weren't sure about writing things off for businesses, things like that. So as far as tax advice, I can't give you any tax advice. Unfortunately, I'm not a tax person, but these boxes here from the post office are all free. Okay, you go online, you set up an account, you put your address in, and you pick the boxes that you want. So all these boxes here from the post office, including these envelopes here, are 100% free.
Okay, guys, going to do a quick cutaway here. I'm just going to show you an example. So once you log into USPS and create an account, you're going to very easily go to Quick Tools, and you're going to see here where it says free boxes. Click on free boxes just like you see here, and you can pick any of these packages, any of these boxes, even some priority mail labels, specialty labels, whatever you need. There's a ton here. You can see there's like many pages here, so you can go right through and just select what you need for shipping supplies. This is a military care kit. They have all kinds of boxes. These are 100% free, shipped to your home. These are two boxes. Sometimes you have something that goes in a mailing tube, like a golf club or a baseball bat. That might go in priority mail. That's like an odd kind of shape. That would work. See-through envelopes. You can see here there's a ton of different things that you can use. DVD boxes. So they give you a lot of free things, but don't forget you are paying a premium rate for the service. Just remember that. But sometimes it is worth it, especially with the flat rate envelopes like I was showing you in the video, and some of the paper envelopes. They also work as well. So this is just a quick look at how to find them and how to select. And once you open up your account, like I said, just go to Quick Tools, free boxes, and add to your account, your cart, and check out, and they're at your door within 3 days. And that's pretty cool service. They definitely supply, boxes are not cheap, so you got to kind of factor that in as well. But that's how it works. All right, let's get back to the video.
All you have to do is go on, log in, and they'll send them to you for absolutely free. You can also go to your local post office and get them for free. So there's really nothing to write off here. Since they're free, you really can't write them off, of course. But you do get these for free. So another question I had is, how do you know when to use the priority mail? They're upgrading their, I guess they use the envelopes right now. I think from what I understand, I think she was shipping everything in these envelopes, which is great. It's a flat rate. Open up, once you ship with eBay directly, you do get a better discount online with eBay's rates, just so you know that. So don't go to the post office directly and pay retail. Go on eBay and print out the shipping label. You'll get the discount, especially if you're using FedEx, UPS and FedEx. You have to get a really big discount. But that's really one tip. All these other boxes and all these supplies here, I did order. Some of these are from eBay. These are eBay branded items that we get every month. Another thing you get from the post office for free is these bubble mailers. Now, yes, you have to use priority mail. But it is a flat rate envelope. This is still available. The boxes are no longer available anymore, unfortunately. No more flat rate boxes. But the envelope is, and that paper envelope is. So this is another thing that post office gives you for free. Go online. I order 100 at a time, and I use these. So this is a great product that the post office supplies. But I do use a lot of eBay branded items that I do pay for. You do get a small discount. If you're not sure how that works, basically eBay will give you $25 for a basic store, and as you upgrade the store, you get a little bit more every month. Not every month, every quarter. To spend on supplies. So I have a basic store that's $25 every quarter. I buy $25 worth of supplies, and not too many things for $25 anymore. So you pay a little bit of money, but not terrible. But the post office is definitely 100% free. So that's my advice to you. Do the envelopes if you want to. Do the priority mail. Priority mail is very limited now because of the way the shipping structure is. A lot of things are starting to go UPS and FedEx. And I'll give you an example. So here we have an example here. So we have a clock that I'm shipping out today that I ordered. I actually won this on an online auction, and I paid $7 for this and plus shipping, and I think it was a total of $27, and I sold it for $55. Yes, the clock needed a little bit of work, but not a ton. It's in good condition. I described it accurately. It does run. It is very old, 1930s, but it is a very cool clock, and you can make money. But how do you ship this? This is definitely not going to go USPS, definitely not priority mail. Most likely this is going to go in a either FedEx, depending where they're located. See, the post office is really just kind of put themselves out of the game on shipping heavy items. Post office is great for small stuff. Anything under a pound is probably the post office, I would imagine. A lot of things we do, the small bubbles from eBay, as you can see here, and we'll ship a lot of small things, small jewelry, anything under a pound roughly, maybe a pound or 2 pounds roughly. But once you get anything at 3 pounds plus, most likely it's going to go FedEx or UPS. So this is going to cost you like 16 or 15 bucks for, I think FedEx it is, and I charge 20. So you make a couple bucks in the shipping, covers the cost of materials, and that's how you kind of do that. So I hope I answered that question for you as far as shipping supplies. Unfortunately, I can't give you any tax advice. I'm not a tax person, but don't write off free stuff. If it's free, it's free. You can't write that off. And definitely upgrade yourself to the priority mail if it's worth it. And also ship UPS and FedEx. It's definitely more economical. And that's what I have for you here today on Talking eBay. If you have any other questions at all, leave that in a comment. We're doing another live podcast. I've been just so slim doing some other work, so I've been crazy. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Your comments, your likes, and your subscriptions are the only thing I ask for in return for me teaching you about everything to do with selling on eBay. I have 25 years plus experience selling, and I will teach you all there is to know about selling on eBay. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Talking eBay, and I'll see you at the next one.